In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish schedules in QuickBooks Time using the desktop interface. We'll walk through the exact process to take a schedule from your screen and make it visible to your team. Publishing is what turns your planning into something your employees can actually see, so they know when and where they're expected to work. This tutorial is focused on the desktop experience, whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac using a web browser. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Time on your desktop or laptop. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has access to scheduling. If you don't see the scheduling option, you may not have permission, and your administrator can help with that. Once you're in, look to the left navigation panel and click Schedule. This opens the main scheduling workspace where you can view shifts by day, week, or month, and focus on specific people or jobs as needed. Create or edit your schedule so it reflects exactly what you want to publish. Add new shifts, adjust start and end times, and assign each shift to the correct team member. It's a good idea to double-check details like locations, job codes, and any notes your team needs. Aim to resolve conflicts or overlaps now, so the published version is accurate and reduces follow-up questions. Take a moment to scan the dates and coverage to confirm everything lines up with your staffing plan. When you're satisfied, look to the top right of the schedule page and click the Publish button. This is the key action that moves your schedule from a working draft into a live schedule your team can access. After you click Publish, a prompt appears. Here, you can choose whether to notify team members of their schedule. Turn this on if you want them to receive an alert right away. Notifications typically respect each person's communication preferences, which could include a mobile push or email. If you're still polishing details for a future update, or you're publishing outside business hours, you can leave notifications off and keep it quiet. Once you've selected your notification preference, click Publish to make the schedule live. Your team will now be able to view their shifts in QuickBooks Time, and if notifications were enabled, they'll be alerted to any new or updated assignments. Remember, publishing isn't a one-time commitment. You can always come back, make changes, and publish again, so updates are reflected for everyone. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.